Today today we are making pre-made beef Wellingtons from Whole Foods.
And their Christmas package dinners.
And as for Christmas dinner.
And their Christmas package dinners. That's where the beef Wellington meal comes from.
That's where the beef Wellington meal comes from.
Also, we have creamy mashed potatoes.
Got some garlic bread with cheese on it.
And olive oil. And it's the round sourdough. And we have mixed vegetables. I think it's the butternut squash and cranberries in there. And while Cruzzy is talking, I will be making for myself, because the kids don't like it, I will be making jalapeno poppers filled with cream cheese.
That's blue cheese.
Filled with blue cheese.
Okay, while he cuts that up, I'm going to tell you the things. Transfer beef Wellington to the fridge to thaw for 2 hours, which we already did. Preheat oven to 425 Fahrenheit, which we also already did. Remove packaging and arrange on a lined baking sheet. Again, we have done, I think. Did we?
What part?
Remove packaging and arrange on a lined baking sheet.
The beef Wellington?
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll open this and we will align it inside its...
Okay, that'll be later.
In a few minutes. You can actually do that now.
Bake in preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until pastry is golden.
It's told to leave it out. It doesn't say to leave it in the container.
I don't know.
Read it again.
Remove packaging and arrange on a lined baking sheet.
Okay.
Bake in... Okay, let's do that.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do this. Get that.
We got the Kirkland culinary parchment, best kind ever. Why is it full?
Also known as cookie paper for
baking salad paper, whatever. Okay, that's good enough.
So when you make your jalapenos, you should cut them in half, and you should take out all the seeds in the middle. I wash them out. Bro, what are you doing?
Trying to make it easy.
It has a cutter, dum-dum. Only my child. We can do a whole show, Cruzzy, on you alone cutting the... Oh my God, look at that. Bro, look, watch this. Here, real simple. Pull it out, close it. Hi, Kata. Today, my daughter Kata decided to show her face. Look. Look, Cruzzy, look. It's a straight line. Go ahead, put them down in both, dude. I don't care. I mean, you leave one out.
Okay, now we're going to remove the beef Wellington from the packaging. Ooh.
Why? What is? It's not hot.
The oven.
Okay, well, the oven is below you.
As you can see, there's a lot of dough in here, but if you think it's dough, it's covered in dough.
It's doughy because it's made in a bread. To make beef Wellington from scratch is a process and a lot of patience. And you know what? For the individuals who do it, God bless them.
Yeah.
This is why you don't see beef Wellington in a lot of restaurants. Because it takes a minute to make it. Not easy. And again,
Boom.
it is a process.
We got 4 beef Wellingtons.
All right, take a little bit of olive oil, please. And pour a little bit over a drop on each one. It'll melt down.
Like a teaspoon?
No, just like this. A drop. Just like that on each one. That's all you got to put on there. That's fine. Perfect. Perfect. A little more. There you go. Beautiful.
So now we put the olive oil on to let it cool.
To like what? To cool? So to be cool? Is that why we do it?
Yeah.
No, we do it so it cooks in something.
I want to help.
You are helping. Today, my daughter Tata, you can only see her head. You gotta back up so the camera can see you. There she is. Hi. Say hi. Oh man. Okay, so now, as you can see, I have chili peppers. And I will use.
I don't like that.
That's why I make it, because you don't like it.
He's making it for himself unless you want to eat it.
So this is really easy to make. People have no idea to make stuffed jalapeno peppers with whatever you want them to be with, stuffed with, whether it's cream cheese,
Blue cheese,
any cheese, Kobe cheese. Look at Kobe cheese is here.
Look.
You can't see Kobe cheese.
We got special guests. Ah! We got two special guests. We got Dixie, and then we got Kobe. Kobe, speak. Say hi. Kobe, speak. Kobe, speak. See, you said hi to you guys.
Okay.
I think Kobe wants to help.
He does. I'm sure he knows that I've dropped something somewhere.
Kobe and Dixie are our special vacuums.
The thing I forget is when I have a cheese in my hand, I just finish,
No.
and I just am filling up the stuffers, the peppers.
What are you doing?
I forget that I might have a couple seeds in.
Kobe.
It's a little hot. It's spicy.
Roll it down. Roll it down.
Oh. Fill them out like this. We should be good. Now, the
Beef Wellington.
needs to be in there for 25 minutes. Is that correct?
Let me see. Evenly brown. Heat and preheat the oven until. Oh wait, no.
It says the cook time.
20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, and it says the creamy mashed potatoes.
Cream.
Believe me, all this stuff I can make from scratch. I'm just lazy. As a full-time single parent, it's much easier this way. And I have custody of the kids, so, you know.
I don't see.
It's called flipping the page.
Kobe.
Is it classic potato latkes?
Creamy mashed potatoes.
20 to 30 minutes for the creamy mashed potatoes.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this.
We could put both in because it's 25 minutes.
God. That's why I bring him. Because he's a rocket scientist. Okay, rocket scientist. Come on, open the door. Okay. You want to put the beef Wellington in, or you want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay, what are we doing?
I'm grabbing on some gloves.
Why?
So I don't burn myself.
Safety first.
No, safety last.
There you go, Kata. That's my girl. Safety last. Okay, you're grabbing paper here. Yep. Good. This is cream mashed potatoes in the very bottom tray by itself. And this one can go in at...
After?
Yeah, I'll put this in at 15 minutes. Well, you know, let's put it in now. Come on, put it in there. And you know what? I actually like these. Good cook. And bake for a minute. I know. 20, 25 minutes at this degree is a lot for these, but I like them kind of crispy, kind of burnt looking, but that's just me.
Who's that?
I'm making it for me.
Who's that? Go, go, go. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
As you can hear, Kuya's getting the dogs all riled up. And the garlic bread we will put in at about 15 minutes. So can you pop it up?
Daddy, can you give me extra garlic bread?
Yeah, got that. Everything about
So
you.
now we will put it in
So
for
set the timer.
25 minutes.
Make it 27.
67.
And we'll be back.